Yeah, here I am in my truck, frying me up some onions. I sure am. Yeah, I'm just rocking out, you know. Got my laptop right there. My coffee cup. My radio. My TV set right there. Yeah. See, I can lay in my bed right there. Swivel it. Yep. Maybe I turn this music down a little bit, we can hear better. Hey, if you can tell, I got a bunch of junk right here. Let's show you guys something. That's my new antenna. It's a cross antenna. Isn't that cool? And there you plug it into the back right there. Man, ain't that amazing? Truck driver made antenna. What do you think about that? Well, I gotta steer my onions, so making some steak. Yeah, look at that. Don't that look good, y'all? Yeah. Rock it out, you know. Sit in the truck, waiting to roll on the road. Cook me up some steak and onions there, that way I can warm them up in my microwave right there later. See? And my daughter and me picture. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll let you know later what it tastes like. Bye.